on firstly membership registration. If you have already done it, then no problem. If you have not done it, focus on both then. Okay. Okay, many of you might not be knowing me as such. Okay, means I may not, you are new to me. Okay. My name is Vishal Mantri. I'll be holding your RBWM batch. Okay. In RBWM, see, basically if you look at my history, background, credentials, I've worked in 4 banks. Okay. 4 banks. One, I've started from Cosmos Bank, Cosmos Cooperative Bank. Then I went to HDFC Bank. Then I went to Citibank USA. And then in DBS, Development Bank of Singapore, DBS. So these 4 banks I have worked, and the departments in which I have worked is all the 4 main departments. I worked in retail banking, means where retail banking in HDFC Bank and Cosmos Bank. There we used to handle all these loans, home loan, personal loan, car loan, plus your CASA, FD, everything. The pressures in HDFC Bank, if you see you ask your colleagues who are in HDFC Bank, check the pressures. The daily sales targets are there. Then I went to Citibank. In Citibank, I used to handle trade finance. I've handled the trade finance part. Trade finance means international LC, bank guarantee, okay, collections, all these international business documents. Then I went in DBS, Singapore, Development Bank of Singapore. There I handled all this corporate finance. Corporate finance means the minimum loan amount in corporate finance is 500 CR. 500 CR. Minimum loan amount is 500 CR generally. So that I was handling. Then later in treasury part. So all the 4 departments I have worked, and in retail banking you'll get a vast experience from me. I'll give you all the practical examples, whatever are there happening in the bank. Okay, I've been teaching in this field for this RBWM since 2000 almost 13. Yeah. See, I'm teaching in JAIIB CAIIB since 2013, 12-13. Earlier than that, I was teaching for CDCS in the banking also. So the point over here is, see this, RBWM, retail banking earlier was a subject for CAIIB. Now it has been brought down to JAIIB. Earlier it was for CAIIB, same subject. Okay. So now do the registrations without fail. Everyone do the registrations without fail. Okay. Now what the subject? Those who are new to the subject, for them. Those who know it, then it's okay. Kindly note, there are 4 subjects: IE, IFS, PPB, AFM, and RBWM. We are conducting RBWM lecture over here. These 3 will be conducted by other mentors. Okay. Now what is there in RBWM? Let's see. It is a new paper added to the JAIIB syllabus. Now JAIIB syllabus. CAIIB syllabus, it was there earlier. Now it has been shifted from CAIIB to JAIIB. Obviously, there is a logic to this. Retail banking at CAIIB level is not worthy. CAIIB portion is very tough. So rightly they have done it. They have brought this down to your JAIIB. In this paper, modules are mentioned as following. So these are the main topics in this. Okay. Retail banking, retail products and recovery. Support services means marketing, and then you have wealth. These are the 4 main modules. In wealth, you have additional housing loan also. That is a separate studies, housing loan. So basically you have 5 different topics to study, 5. Okay. Module A, B, C, D, and last one is additional reading on housing loan. That's what you have to study. Okay. So retail banking, it's an introduction. Then you have products, you have CASA, okay, current account, saving account, plus your MIS, plus other topics related to your products. Then you have loans. Okay. So you have all these topics in module D. Module A is basically an introduction, but the toughest chapter in Module A is branch profitability. Branch profitability chapter is very difficult in your RBWM. There are only 3 to 4 chapters which are very difficult. One is branch profitability from Module A. Then the remaining all are okay type. Credit card is there in this retail banking. That is a bit difficult to understand. Then marketing is easy to understand. It's not that difficult. In this only CRM chapter, CRM, customer relationship management. Okay, and MKIS, marketing information system. That is difficult. Okay, and last module, wealth management, is very difficult. Wealth management is really difficult. Okay, in this you have additional reading on housing loan. That is also difficult. So you have to very keenly focus on module A, branch profitability, and module D. D is very tough. Okay, the remaining B and C are okay type. B is also okay, not that difficult. Okay, but D very tough. Module A, see this, introduction, retail banking, role within the banking operations. Applicability of retail banking concepts. Okay, means concept. Distinction between retail and corporate banking and branch profitability. This is all theory and easy theory. It's not that difficult. Now, I told you, I'll give you a trick how to score 60 plus. Okay, I told you that. So what is that trick? When our paid classes start from tomorrow, okay, tomorrow or mostly Monday, any. When our paid classes will start, I will give you a PDF. Those who are watching on YouTube, kindly note. I will give you a PDF. That PDF is very useful. You'll read that PDF and the classes. Read that PDF and the classes, okay, and you'll score more than 60 plus in RBWM. PDF plus classes, you'll score more than 60 plus. Okay, so that's why always follow. That is the trick. Classes are also important, and that PDF is also important. That will give you the summary. I'll give you complete PDF RBWM. Okay, so introduction, retail banking, role within the banking operations. So it's all introduction. Applicability of retail banking concepts means what are the basic concepts of retail banking? Means how is retail banking different? What do we do in retail banking? What do the customers want in retail banking? Okay. So what do customers want in the retail banking? Thanks, Mahesh. What do the customers want in retail banking? So all this will be given over here. Then you have retail versus corporate banking. What is the difference between retail banking and corporate banking? There's a huge difference, vast. As I told you earlier, I was working in retail banking in the initial stage, then I went into corporate banking. So corporate banking, as I told you, main difference is your loan amount. Minimum loan amount in corporate banking starts with 500 CR. 500 CR, crores. 500 crores. That is the main difference. Now for 500 crores, nobody will come, like a normal person won't come there, right? So that is the main difference. There are many others. Then you have branch profitability. This chapter is the most difficult chapter in your module A. In fact, one of the difficult chapters in your RBWM. Very difficult. Okay, focus on this chapter. You will get many numericals from this. This chapter is only having numericals. Others don't have. These chapters are not having any numericals. Only branch profitability, large number of numericals. So, here you will be having numericals. Very tough, huh? These are the tough ones. It's not that simple. Okay? Then, next is module B, retail banking products and recovery. In this, what do you have? In module B, customer requirements, product development process, credit scoring, important retail liability products, important retail asset products, credit and debit cards, remittance products, digitization of retail banking, role of AI and technology in retail banking, recovery of retail loans, MIS, management information system, and securitization. These are the chapters in your module B. Okay type, not that difficult, easy ones. No numerical is there. You have numerical only in credit card. Here you have one numerical. Okay? This you pay a bit attention to this. Okay? Remaining everything is theory. Theory is also not that difficult type, because what happens is, I'll tell you, some part of this is already there in your PPB also. You'll see majority over here, you'll see it in your PPB also, right? So that's not what happens, it becomes easy for you. Yeah, sure, Mahesh, you can definitely clear. Mahesh is asking, can I clear it from today? Definitely. Follow the PDF which I am giving. Follow the PDF and the classes. You will get more than 60 plus challenge, open challenge. Okay? You will get more than 60 plus. Follow the PDF which I am giving. In the paid class, I will give you. Okay? And this classes. That's it. Enough. No need to read any book. No need to read any notes anywhere, anything. Just follow this and test of under 24/7. You can give the test. Okay? Give the test. Those are very useful. Enough. Okay? So module B. Module B, again, see all these things you are there. You are having it in your PPB also. Right? Customer requirement, product development, important retail liability. This you have in your PPB also. Asset products. What are the asset products? Home loan, personal loan, car loan, two-wheeler loan. What are the liabilities? CASA, FD. And then you have TPP nowadays, third party, right? So that's it. So this part is easy. Again, I'll say digitization. This is something new to you. AI and technology. Here you will have new technologies of artificial intelligence, and you will have a new technology of blockchain technology. So blockchain and AI, both of them you will be having it. Okay? No, Sunday no classes. Sunday no classes. As of now, no classes. If they are there, I'll tell you. Some special classes kept, I'll tell you. Okay? Sunday, otherwise no classes. So, MIS, Management Information System. Again, okay type, not that difficult. MIS. Okay? Module C. Easy, very easy. Marketing. Okay, very easy. Marketing and introduction, delivery channels, delivery models, customer relationships, CRM, then services standards, BCS, BI we call it, marketing information, MKIS. These are the only topics over here. These are okay types. Now, which chapter to pay attention in this? You have to pay attention to this chapter, MKIS. This chapter is a bit difficult one. Not difficult, it's easy type, but there are certain models in it that you'll have to study. In CRM, you have one numerical. Two numericals you have it in CRM. You have the numericals of CAC, customer acquisition cost. Okay, so that will be there. That you'll have to study, because this time this numerical was asked. Customer acquisition cost and break-even point of CAC. So this you'll have to focus, and remaining is theory. I'll teach you, and in the PDF also I'll give you, as well as in the classes also it will be taken. Okay, so theory is okay, just follow the classes and you'll clear it. Follow the PDF, you'll clear it. Okay, more than 60, forget clearing. Clearing is not a matter for RBWM when you come to this batch. Okay, you should score more than 60 plus. That's the point. Last module is wealth management. Now in this wealth management, kindly note this. This is a difficult chapter, module. Complete module is difficult, totally. Everything is difficult over here. It's not that simple. This chapter is very big. Wealth management is the biggest chapter in your RBWM. Biggest. You have many topics. See, no numerical is there right now. Numerical is there, obviously. In this module, you have numericals. But wealth management has much of the theory, but very difficult theory. Lengthy theory, very long. Goes on and on and on. It doesn't stop. Investment management, you have numericals. Lot of numericals you have. Numericals. Plus you have tax planning also. Tax planning. Here also you'll have numericals. Okay? So these 3 chapters, you won't find a difference. See, everyone pay attention. Wealth management, investment management, and tax planning. You won't even come to know which chapter is going on. It's all of them are combined. And all of them have somewhere or the other numericals attached. In tax planning, you have the new tax regime numericals. Okay? What will be the tax to this person? What will be the tax to that person? He has done this investment, that investment, all these. Okay? Then you have other financial services. This is a theory part. This chapter is a theory chapter. Other financial services. Means what do we provide other than your regular banking? We provide all this third party, insurance, mutual fund, selling of gold coins, sovereign gold bonds, right? All this we sell. Nowadays we sell anything, isn't in banking, isn't it? Only the thing is we are not selling holiday packages up till now. Up till now. But I have seen when I was in Citigroup, I have seen in Standard Chartered Bank, they were selling the holiday packages also. So someday you will also sell the same. Now you are selling insurance, right? Insurance is sold, mutual fund is sold. Then what do you sell else? That demat account you sell it. Then you sell that trading account. Right? Everything you sell. So one day will come when you'll sell the holiday packages, right? Go to holiday 3 days, 4 days, 4 nights, 3 days, and we book here. You'll get a commission. Bank will act for commission, isn't it? So this thing can also happen. Right? Home loans. See, nowadays you see, the pressures are not there in your bank as of now, in nationalized banks, about educational loans. Educational loans. Now the levels of private banking is such that in HDFC Bank, Citibank, the level is such that you have to tie up with the college, go to the college, meet the colleges, do the tie-up, sell all the loans to the children, to the students over there. So the day will come in nationalized banks also, when you will have to sell all these holiday packages, educational loans, go and tie up with the colleges. All these things we will have to do. Okay? Now only you might be having so much pressure, isn't it? All of you. Just type in the comment section. What is the pressure level? Means daily do you have a call from daily or weekly? Some branches have daily, some branches have weekly. Call from the branch manager daily. हाँ आज कितना हुआ? कितना होगा? क्या मिलेगा? आज कितना लाएंगे? All this daily. कितना KCC? What is your KCC level today? KCC हुआ? नहीं हुआ? What are you doing? Right? Do you have these pressures on a daily basis now in banking? Just type in the comment section if you are having this. Because I have seen this, okay, in banks. I have seen it. In fact, I give the pressures whenever in the bank which I am, means I am not working, I am the director of one of the bank. I give huge pressures over there also. Same thing. So that's why I know it. So do you have the pressures over here in your bank also? Daily sales pressures. Next, you have additional reading. What is this additional reading? This part is very tough, you can say. Numerical is tough. The numericals over here you have numericals. These are tough. Okay? You have to find out the loan value given to the customers. You have to find out the loan value given to the customers. How much loan can you give? You have many points over here. LTV ratio, plus the gross income of that person, spouse income, other income added, net income, expenses, all these you have to subtract. Then you have FSI calculations over here. FSI, floor space index. Then you have rent calculations over here. So these are difficult numericals. These are big ones. Nowadays they ask you the case studies also. Nowadays in JAIIB they have started case studies. Earlier they were not asking case studies. Yeah, my God. Huge pressure. Mahesh, my God. I swear. No, don't take the pressures, okay? One thing I'll tell you in banking. See, pay attention everyone. Don't, see, you are different. The pressure in banking is huge nowadays. The manager says, if you don't do this, resign. If you don't do this, resign. Don't take it personally. Don't take it personally at all. Kindly note, you are separate. You are an employee of the bank. You keep yourself separate from the employee. Otherwise, you won't be able to sustain in the banking. I was there for 13 years in banking at all the levels, starting from the executive level, lower level. I went to the senior manager level, end in 13 years. But I'll tell you, if you want to survive in banking, you have to keep two things separate. See, pay attention. Because you are not here as an employee, means as a person, you are there as an employee. You have a family. Banking is just, kindly pay attention, banking is just one source of income. It is not your life. I have seen many in my bank also, in the banks which I have worked, those guys got heart attack because of this banking pressures. Okay, don't do such things. Don't take anything personally. Banking is a source of income for you. It is not your life. Your life is your family. There is someone waiting for you at your home. That's very important. Okay? So remember this, everyone, those who are feeling the heat. Okay? Don't take it personally. Nothing happens in banking. You be clear to your job, whatever you are doing, do that, enough. Whatever you can. See, important part is whatever you can do. Suppose if you can do some sales, you can do some speak to some clients, speak. That's not an issue. Try to get the business as much as you can. But always remember, do it in good faith. Never do anything for personal gains. See, in banking, always remember, if you do it in good faith, then you are always, means the bank always considers you as a good person or a good employee. But if you do something for your personal gains, you are gone. Never do anything for the personal gains in banking. Everything is for the gains of the bank. Everything, whatever you do, is for the benefit of the bank, not for your personal benefit. Then you are safe. You'll live a normal life in banking. Okay? So I was talking about this lender's appraisal process. You have many numericals over here, that all of these I will be taking. Okay? And you will be having all the numericals, whichever are there, we will be covering everything. This May 25 paper, I will tell you, there were 25 to 30 marks numericals, and all the students of our class were able to clear it. Why? Because all the numericals were already taken in the class. So that's why it's very easy for you. Okay? So this is the overall portion of your RBWM. Okay? So now those who have just joined, okay, or those who are watching on YouTube, kindly subscribe to the channel. Some of you are watching on YouTube also. Subscribe to the JAIIB CAIIB English Medium. Also, those who are in the paid class, kindly subscribe to the channel and follow the YouTube series. Some important numericals, some points are covered there also. Objective questions are covered. I'll give you a Telegram channel. Once you join the class, I'll give you a Telegram channel that is for the paid batches. Okay? In the Telegram channel, I'll give you many questions. Many tests are taken. Daily, I give almost 10 to 12 questions. Daily. And just you have to take it. What is the answer? Tick ABC. Immediately correct answer is also given. So it becomes a revision. Follow the Telegram channel also. I'll give you. When you will start the class now, I'll give you immediately. Today is just an orientation session, so I won't be sharing anything today. PDF, Telegram channel, everything will be shared in the when the class starts. Got it? So how do I teach? What is the method of teaching for those who don't know? Those who know, it's okay. Those who don't know, see, I'll always give you the practical examples. Practical, that's very important. Daily life examples are important. For example, look at this. This topic you have in your module C. Okay? Yeah. This topic you have it in module C. So I'll tell you how to teach. There is a dialogue of Amir Khan, right? You remember that 3 Idiots movie? Amir Khan says that to that professor, he says, मैं तो ये बता रहा था कि पढ़ाते कैसा है. मैं तो ये सिखा रहा था कि पढ़ाते कैसा है. See, पढ़ाते कैसा है means what? What is the use of teacher? Otherwise, you can definitely read it from the books also. Why am I here? I need to make the things easy. Then only it's my usefulness is over here, isn't it? Simple logic. So look at this. This is there in your book. What is there? See, these are the products. Generic product, expected product. One sec. It's not expanding. Generic product, expected product, augmented product, and potential product. These are the 4 product levels in any product. This is a module C chapter, module C question. What are the 4 levels of products in your banking or anywhere in the world? Forget banking, anywhere in the world. There are always 4 levels of products. One is generic, second is your expected, third is augmented, and fourth is potential. Now this you can read it from the book also. Then why am I there? What will I add to this? See, I'll give you a simple example. All of us buy cooking oil at our home, cooking oil daily, bhajiye, pakode talna, bhajiye, all this cooking oil for your vegetables. We buy it. Now I'll ask you a question. Which cooking oil do you buy? You go to the mall, you go to the shop, and you ask for that packet, Fortune, Dhara, or whichever it is. Many names are there. Okay? You all buy those cooking oils, all of us, that packeted. There is a separate cooking oil giving person. There is a ghani, we call it ghani, right? Or that person who does the oil business for himself. Near your house only. All of you check. Near your house, there is a separate ghani. How many of you buy from there? How many of you buy from there? We don't buy. Why? Packaging. When you see the Fortune refined oil, when you see the Dhara, when you see this, you remember something. So what is your core product? Core product, generic product. Generic is oil. Oil is oil. Cooking oil is cooking oil. I'll buy this or that, anything. So cooking oil is cooking oil. But why do I buy this Dhara only? Why do I buy this Fortune only? Because the reason is, see this. This is cooking oil. What is expected? Expected means customer expects. What do you want? My heart. Dhak, 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 dhak. My heart should be safe. Now you see your cooking oil is specifically meant for heart only. Nowadays all the ads on cooking oil are on heart only. How? Why? Because customer's expectation is such. So expected product means what? Customer feels healthy. So expected product is healthy. Healthy, right? Expected product is healthy. So this is what customer is expecting. So what will the company give? Company knows this are healthy. Okay. So what will it give? It will give you the augmented part. It will give all the names. Mufa, Fufa, cholesterol, then what? 1,000 things it will give. So this is augmented. So you are not eating oil. You are safeguarding your health. So that is augmented. What is potential product? Potential means future. Less oil. That is the future. So the lesser oil you use, the better it is for you. Now you will say, sir, what is this? We are in banking business and what are you saying about oil? You can use the same example in banking also. What is the difference? Saving account is a saving account. You go in any bank, saving is saving, current is current. But you have certain names, women's savings account, women's power savings account, power savings account. There are many names to this. What is the difference? What is the difference? This is all expected and augmented. Whenever I'll give you some augmented, what is augmented in savings? I can give you one important trick. See, in your debit card withdrawal, you can have a withdrawal for let's say 1 lakh rupees. Other bank is giving for 10,000, 25,000. My bank will give you for 1 lakh, augmented, additional. You open a savings account with me, I'll give you a health insurance free for 1 year. Health insurance. Augmented, something additional. Because customer also expects something additional. Customer wants only savings account. No. What is additional for me? So additional means take this health insurance free, this insurance free, that free, that free. Nowadays, don't you have it in your own bank, your own business? Check this. What is the potential product for your this savings account or your banking business? Potential product is e-rupee. Customer is expecting now this crypto, e-rupee, CBDC, central bank digital currency. That is the future. Your future for banking is CBDC. Kindly note. In next 5-6 years, you will see a lot of changes in your banking. CBDC. See here, kindly remember blockchain and AI are here to stay. If somebody is feeling that these are something external technologies which are not at all related to my life, you are wrong. AI and blockchain are here to stay in banking. They will change the entire face of banking. Okay? Got it? So, that was it for today. Introduction, orientation. I will not cover the topic today, otherwise you will get bored. From tomorrow or whenever the batch starts, we'll be starting with this topic as clearly the topic. So join it ASAP. Those who want to join it ASAP. First only, don't leave even the single lecture. The PDF will be given by me for you for clearing the exams and the classes, and one more Telegram channel that will be given by me. So you'll definitely get more than 60 plus. Now those who have not joined, okay, those who are watching on YouTube, kindly note, join the Adda 24/7 classes ASAP. Join them right now, okay. Always join it through the app. Kindly note, always join it through the app. In the app, you will be getting 1% extra. Don't miss that 1% also. See this. Okay, Elevate batch. This is the batch we are talking of. Okay, Elevate batch, ebooks, mock tests, online live classes. Now those who have joined also, you also check the mock test. See this, mock tests are to the level of chapter wise. Per chapter you are having the mock test, full length mock tests are there. Ebooks are to the level of chapter wise. Per chapter you are having the ebooks. Okay, so follow them seriously. And the PDF which I will give, that is also sufficient. Okay, follow that. Live classes you are having, recorded sessions you are having. Okay, and right now the discounts, look at the discount part. Click on buy now. Remember the code Y432. Y432. See this. 79% off plus 1% extra, 80% discount. So 80% discount over here. Don't miss this. And those who have joined the classes, the paid batch, you can join, see this, you can upgrade yourself to the Increment Mahapack. Very beautiful Mahapack. In this Mahapack, you are getting double validity right now. You are getting 15 plus batches per subject. 15 plus per subject. That many times revision you can have. You have Formula Bank in this, Formula Bank. Okay, you have question bank in this, physical question bank as well as e-question bank. Physical book is also available in Increment Mahapack. If you have joined the batches, you can upgrade yourself. Okay, so that is also there. Then there are many other advantages. Okay, 15 plus batches means that many you'll have the revision that many times. Never forget to code Y432 and always purchase through the app. So hope so you have enjoyed it. Okay. Let's meet in the classes. Bye from my side. Okay.